Introducing the Baseus A5 16,000 pascals wireless car vacuum cleaner, your ultimate cleaning companion for maintaining a pristine interior in your car, home, or PC machine. This powerful portable handheld vacuum cleaner combines cutting-edge technology with convenient features to deliver unparalleled suction performance and efficiency. Features: 16,000 pascals powerful suction. Equipped with a 130W high-speed brushless motor, the Baseus A5 offers a staggering suction power of 16,000 pascals, ensuring thorough cleaning of dirt, dust, and debris with ease. With a rotating speed of up to 60,000 RPM and airspeed reaching 8 meters per second, this vacuum cleaner provides exceptional cleaning performance. Updated Cyclone Technology. The advanced Cyclone Technology creates strong centrifugal force, efficiently separating dirt and air to prevent filter clogging and maintain continuous strong suction. This ensures uninterrupted cleaning performance without loss of suction power over time. HEPA filter with denser folds. The HEPA filter with denser folds offers a 99.99% dust filtration rate, effectively capturing particles as small as 0.3 microns to avoid secondary pollution. The higher dense filter system ensures cleaner air and a healthier environment, eliminating the risk of allergies and respiratory problems caused by inadequate cleaning. Dual AI chip for long-lasting suction. The smart chip technology optimizes performance and ensures a longer service life with minimal chances of blockage. It continuously monitors suction power and alerts users to change the filter when necessary, ensuring consistent cleaning performance. Effortless dust emptying. With a simple press of a button, the dustbin lid opens, allowing you to empty the trash without dirtying your hands. This convenient feature makes cleaning hassle-free and more hygienic. Powerful vacuum compression. The included air nozzle allows for vacuum compression, effectively saving space for storage by reducing the volume of collected debris and trash. Cordless design with long battery life. The Baseus A5 features a cordless design powered by a 7,500 mAh high-power density battery, offering up to 35 minutes of operation time in eco mode. This ensures deep cleaning needs are easily met without the hassle of cords or frequent recharging. Above industry standard for premium quality, Baseus vacuum cleaners have undergone rigorous testing and have obtained CE, FCC, KC, and RoHS certifications, ensuring premium quality, safety, and reliability. The Baseus A5 16,000 pascals wireless car vacuum cleaner redefines the standards of portable cleaning appliances, offering unmatched suction power, convenience, and efficiency for all your cleaning needs. Say goodbye to dust and debris. Experience the ultimate cleaning performance with Baseus.